Good morning students. Welcome to the virtual class of Information Technology of class 9th. Today we are doing part B, unit 5, digital presentation, first part. What is PowerPoint? PowerPoint is a component of Microsoft Office 2010. We are learning Office 2010 and this is PowerPoint is a part of Microsoft Office. Presentation in PowerPoint is a collection of electronic slides in which we can add text, images, graphic, movie clips, sounds, etc. And these slides are displayed in a sequential order, one after the other at the time of presentation or when we do the slideshow. PowerPoint is not just used for creating electronic presentation, but is also used for making handouts, speaker notes, etc., which are the effective tools for any kind of presentation. PowerPoint was initially named Presenter when it was released in 1987. How to start PowerPoint? When we install Microsoft Office in your computer, then click on Start All Programs. There will be a Microsoft Office and you will find that Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2010. You can see these are all the components of Microsoft Office. MS Access, MS Excel, MS InfoPart Designer, MS OneNote, MS Outlook, MS PowerPoint. And in this video we are doing Microsoft PowerPoint. What are the components of PowerPoint window? When you will open the PowerPoint, this is the first look you will see on your screen. Now this is the File tab, Quick Access toolbar. This is the title bar where the name of the title comes. These are the minimize, maximize and close button, and this is called the ribbon where all the icons or groups comes there. This is the slide tab and this is the outline tab. This is the by default slide. It is called the slide pane. Click to add notes. This is the notes pane. If you want to write notes related to this slide, then these are the space available to you. This is the status bar. It shows how many slides you have made right now. Right now slide 1 of 1 because we have only one slide. This is the slide view. Creating presentation in PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint offers different ways to create a new presentation. You may choose any of these methods as per your needs, which are available under Available Templates and Themes. These are blank presentation. If you want to choose your slide color, your font style, font size by yourself, then you can choose a blank presentation. Recent templates. We in the last chapter we had learned what are templates. Templates are predefined designs or styles are given by the PowerPoint. The templates which you have used recently as shown in this category. Sample templates. PowerPoint offers a set of ready-made templates suggesting the contents and design for your presentation. In the sample templates, there are predefined designs or styles or color schemes are also there. Themes. This option is useful when you want to use pre-designed format for your presentation as the preset background, font style, etc. are provided by PowerPoint. My templates. In this, templates customized by you are saved and shown here which can be used later on. New from existing. It allows you to use, create or modify the new template using existing template as a base. Now, if you want to create a presentation in PowerPoint, it doesn't mean you can take only blank presentation. You can take blank presentation, recent template, samplers template. There are so many themes are there, my templates and new from existing presentation is also there. Common terms used in PowerPoint. First is slide. A single page in a presentation which may contain text, image, chart or video. Like in your book or in your notebook, a single page is called a page, and in a PowerPoint, a single slide is called a page in which you can add text, image, chart, video, audio, etc. What do you mean by presentation? A group of slides is called a presentation, and slide deck, a group of related slides is called a slide deck. How to create a presentation? It's very easy. Click on file menu, then there will be a new, and click on blank presentation, then click on create. When you will click on create, a blank presentation will open. By default, blank presentation is highlighted. The default layout of slide is title slide. I already told you that the first slide is called a blank presentation or a title slide. Slide layout. Slide layout means slide designs, different types of designs. Slide layouts contains formatting, positioning and placeholder for all the objects that appear on a slide. These objects may be text, picture, chart, tables, etc. There are 9 types of layouts in PowerPoint 2010. It means in how many ways you can put your text, picture, charts and tables in your slides. There are 9 layouts. First is title slide. Second is title and content. It means you can write title here and content here. Section header, if you want to write only header. To content, if you want to show the comparison, then you can write title here and comparison here. Comparison slide is also there. Title only, if you want to write title only and you can add some picture here. Blank slide is used to put the picture. Content with caption, you can write caption here or content also. Picture with caption. Changing slide layout. We can change the slide layout by clicking on the slide, and there is a layout option. All the 9 layouts will come. Which layout you want, just click on it and your layout of your slide will automatically change. Saving a presentation. Saving a file in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, MS Access and MS Paint is the same. The method of saving a file, opening a file, closing a file and exiting from PowerPoint, Word or Excel is the same thing. Means if you want to save a presentation, then go to file, then save as option or press the Ctrl S button. The save as window will open. Type the file name and click on save. The by default extension of PowerPoint is .pptx. Saving a presentation in PDF form. If you want to save your presentation in PDF form, means portable document format. If you have saved your presentation in PDF form, then nobody can change the text, the color or anything. Nobody can do any changes in your presentation. How can you save a presentation in PDF? Go to file, then save as. Your save as window will open. Just save as type. Change the location as PDF. By default it is PPTX, but if you want to change in PDF, then change it as save as type PDF. Then type the name of the presentation and click on save button. It's simple. It will save in a PDF format. Thank you.